morning, America. We have some breaking news. A foreign species has been sighted on Michigan's west coast. Not much evidence has been found, but from what we do have, these creatures are docile, so there is no need to panic. Beware, they have the ability to take on the shape of human beings, although they survive on Earth through photosynthesis. We have not learned about much of the species' communication yet, but we have encountered one piece of evidence, some math.
So, we have learned that this alien species has come up with a binary system of numbers, similar to our own binary system, 0101. Except, in this case, they use it because they have two fingers. One here, but they don't count their thumb, because that's not a finger. So, here are a few example problems we have set up to show you how their math system works. So, over here, 0101, that is 0 for the aliens, 101. We, of course, go through our simple, traditional method of converting from binary to decimal, which is 0, 1, 2, 3. So, basically, 0 times 2 to the power of 3 would equal 0. And, let's see, 1 to the power, times 2 to the power of 2 would equal 4. While 0 times 2 to the power of 1 is 0, and 1 times 2 to the power of 0 is 1. So we add that up, we leave out the zeros, that equals 5. Piece of cake. And so they also convert from decimal to binary, because we do too, and since they can take on the shape and form of us, why not copy our math system, right? So 0, 1, 0, 1 divided by base 10 would equal 10 and then some. So then we have a remainder of 1. And 10 divided by 10 would just equal 1 with a remainder of 0. And so thus we add these two together and 101, which is dash or slash, dash, and slash in their language. These aliens are capable of rather complex math problems, very much like our species. So, in binary, this would be 1011001011, except we cross out the zeros because they're useless to us. It will always be 0. We don't need to add them or multiply them because it would be completely pointless. So what we're doing here is crossing out 8, 5, 4, and 2 because that is where the zeros lie and we don't need to use those. So dash or slash times 2 to the power of 9 plus dash times 2 to the power of 7 plus dash times 2 to the power of 6 dash times 2 to the power of 3 and these are all slashes, but slash times 2 to the power of 1 and slash times 2 to the power of 0. That would equal 512 plus 128 plus 64 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1, which equals, in its grand sum, 715 in decimal form. We have discovered that these aliens are not capable only of complicated multiplication, but also complicated division, as shown here in the example problem. 2 divided by 500, or 500 divided by 2, more like, is 250. And 250 divided by 2 is 125. Keep in mind that both of these have had remainders of 0 because there are no decimals after the answer. And 125 divided by 2 is 62. Now this one has a decimal at the end of it. So we just round it down and we get a remainder of 1 because their number system is base 2. And 2 divided by 62 is 31, remainder of 0. And 31 divided by 2 is 15 with a remainder of 1. And 15 divided by 2 is 7, remainder of 1, while 3 divided by 2 is 1, remainder of 1. And in conclusion, we get an answer of a bunch of slashes, a dash, a slash, and a dash and a dash. But in our number system, it is 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0.